Binisitala king syudad na ning Angeles, reng delegasyon, ibat king Iligan City, Northern Mindanao, Banglawan ing Dog Pound and Animal Care Center at apanigaralan reng best practices king animal welfare. Kapag nasaning benchmarking activity na abalula ren polisiya, sistema at operasyon ning Angeles City, king pamanyese kareng animals amalyaring apakyapusan king karelang sariling lokal a gobyerno. Lalam ning pamanimuno ng Mayor Carmelo John Lazatin II, balaw sa pasik na nga ning LGU ning Angeles, reng programa para king responsableng pet ownership, animal welfare at masaleseng pamanibala ning City Pound. Pwede muna ning Dr. Mario Samson Jr., City Veterinarian, at Councilor Nicknoc Banyola, Chairperson ning Committee on Animal Welfare, ing pisabyan nung nukarin dinake dareti ren polisiya, operasyon at ing inisyatiba ning syudad. Agpang kang Oza Salinas, Head ning City Veterinary Office ning Iligan, pinili dang bumisita king Angeles City kay batcheting kilalanan bilang National Awardee ning Bureau of Animal Industry at uli ning mata sa pamantayan king Animal Welfare at City Pound Operation.
So we have been looking for a city to benchmark for our city veterinary operations, specifically in City Pound operations, in the animal control facility operations. And we have searched online, and what stood out is yung Angeles City na Pound. Aside from it as being a national awardee sa Bureau of Animal and Industry, setting the standard, pasok siya kasi sa animal welfare standard nila. So,
agpang kaya kapag nasandang apakyapusan king Iligan, reng epektibong sistemang papatupad king Angeles City, bang lakwas pang apasanting ing karelang programa para king kapakanan dareng seseng animals. Ako po, Patricia Mamangon para king News Force Pampanga, balitang tutuking Balen, susuyo.